Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Monday, August the 7th, I'm meteorologist Bill Murray looking at the pattern across North America up at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet, telling the story, what's going on there. Big ridge of high pressure over the western Atlantic. You can remember that Bermuda Azores High has been very strong all season. It is now displaced a little further to the west and will sort of fall apart. Spoiler alert, in the next few days, weak high pressure continues over the southern United States. Now, by Friday, by next weekend, we're going to see quite a difference. The ridge over the United States is centered across the western part of the country. Big trough developing over New England and the East Coast, and that could play a role in what may be our next tropical system, as we'll talk about it in a minute. Using the GFS as our model of choice today. Here is the precipitation, mean sea level pressure and thicknesses across the country on this Sunday, the 7th of August. We see scattered showers, probably like yesterday. If you get under one, it'll be impressive. If you see one in the sky near you, it'll be impressive. But otherwise, most folks stay dry. High temperatures today in the lower 90s. Here's the HRRR for later this afternoon. It shows scattered showers and thunderstorms, much like we said. Again, heavy downpours, frequent lightning. You want to get out of, get out of the public, get out of the open space if you're in the vicinity of one of these, because lightning, very, very dangerous. You saw the tragic story in the nation's capital earlier this week. 3 people killed by lightning in Lafayette Park, across from the White House during a sudden afternoon thunderstorm in Washington, D.C. We don't need any more statistics like that. And moving forward to Monday, though, the GFS shows, all that heat and humidity over Alabama, lots of moisture and warmth, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. Rain chances will be pretty high. More of the same for Tuesday. You can't really see it on these models here, but probably still high rain chances Wednesday. And then Thursday, we see a frontal system, a hint of what we saw in the upper pattern, beginning to drop down into North Alabama. And as it does, showers and thunderstorms will be on the increase. More of the same for Friday. And as we head towards Saturday, pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms across Alabama and the southeast. Go out through the end of the forecast period, 2 weeks to the 21st of August. And we will have seen that frontal system that was with us next weekend has moved out, giving us a couple of days of sunny and dry weather. But it looks like by the weekend, that front will be coming back to the north as a warm front, more showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. Something we haven't seen on the tropical weather outlook for a while is a suspect area. What the National Hurricane Center is tracking a tropical wave that will move off the African coast in the next couple of days, and the conditions are becoming more favorable for us to see a tropical depression form somewhere west or southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. This is the GFS depiction of what that probably would be. That would be a tropical storm becoming a hurricane there. But you can see, because of that weakness in the ridge to the north, this storm probably will turn and recurve well to the northeast of the islands and east of Bermuda. Looking back at our temperatures over the next 2 weeks from the National Blended Models, next 10 days or so, upper 80s will be common, lower 70s to upper 60s for a brief period there behind the front. And rainfall, we expect the GFS ensembles picking up around 2 inches on average. So that's about normally what we would expect, maybe a little higher than normal. And that's not bad. What's your favorite edition of Weather Brains? I just, in the over 850 episodes that we've put together, there have been so many favorites, but I can promise you this: the one on Monday night will become one of your favorites. And I say that without having recorded the show yet, but great show planned for Monday night. Please tune in to Weather Brains, the weekly netcast that's all about weather. You can get it wherever you consume your audio podcasts or on our YouTube channel. That's your weather video for the 7th of August. I'll have notes on the blog, forecast update, frequent updates through the day. Scott Martin will be back here next Saturday. James have 2 days all week since he's back off of vacation. I'll see you next Sunday. And when I do, as I always do, I will tell you to keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block, call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls, call APS. sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.